afternoon. Don Weed speaking to you and shooting this video today on Saturday, June 23rd, about 5:30 in the afternoon. Just pulled over. I took a ride down to Pekin, Illinois to look at a house. A lady had Google searched our company, and she's got a house. It was an inherited house, probate estate. And the situation is that there was a water leak. It was vacant, and somehow a pipe burst, and the water from the kitchen flooded the kitchen, went through the floor, and the basement is all finished, but the ceiling came down. So the place is going to need paint, it's going to need some carpet, but it's a doable deal. I made her an offer. She's going to think about it and get back to me if she'd like to sell that house for cash. Once again, Don Weed speaking to you with Heartland Funding Incorporated. Our phone number is 1-800-255-8250. Our website is www.heartlandbuyshouses.com. Don Weed signing off.